In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the slope of a straight line knowing the function of the straight line. We're going to learn how to extract the 2 points that we need in order to calculate the slope. So let's get started. Our function is given by minus 3x plus 1. We can also write this equation as y equals minus 3x plus 1. In order to get our 2 points, we can choose any 2 values of x and find the corresponding y's from calculating the equation. So let's try that. The easiest one would be to start with x1 equals 0. x1 equals 0 gives us a y of minus 3 times 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So we already have our first point. P1 is given by coordinates 0, 1. We need a second point. We choose another value of x. x2 equals 2. We find the corresponding y. y2 equals minus 3 times 2 plus 1. This is equal to minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to minus 5. We now have our 2 points. We can calculate the slope. So the slope m is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. We resolve. Minus 5 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 0. And this is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. And we further simplify, and this gives us minus 3. So we found the value of our slope, which is minus 3. And we can plot the line on this graph and take a look at what it looks like. Our first point, 0, 1, will be situated at this coordinate here. And 2 minus 5 will be here. Here's our 2 points, P1 and P2. Our straight line going from one point to the other. And this is what our graph looks like. We notice that the orientation of this graph is similar to the last video when it was negative. And this is the direction it's in, so we know that our value for the slope is right. It's a negative slope looking at the graph. And its value is minus 3.